Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn about the weak map. In previous video we have learned about the map data structure introduced in ES6 JavaScript. Now we are going to understand what is the use of weak map. So just we are creating here the blue map object and we have new weak map like this. So why we are saying it weak? Because in the normal map we have a key and with the help of key we can retrieve the value, but here the key is the object. Let's understand. Suppose I have this object student and I am storing information like name. I say Ravi and I say age, anything I can take in this information like this. This is an object. So in place of key I say set, and in the map what I do, I just give the value and I put here some information. Maybe I can say student1 or anything whatever I want to run, but here if I try to execute it, it will generate an error. You see, because key is invalid, we can't give the normal key numerical character here, we have to provide the object. So what we can do, we can initialize here like student is the object and I can set here like student dot name, means the object of this is belong to this student like Ravi. So I'm storing this one, and if I have some other object like this student1, I say name Rahul and I say age like this. So I can also add this one here student1 and student1 dot name like this. So in place of key normal numerical value, we have to initialize here, you have to pass here the object. Why we are passing object? The question rise, why we are passing object? If I run it, it will run without any problem and we can get the value also. But why we are passing a object? We are passing a object because sometime we have to remove the object from the memory because of we want to save the memory. So we want to perform a garbage collection. So we can save the value here and then we can make these object null. I can set this student equal to null. This also I can say student1 equal to null like this, and later on I can check also value like this color console.log and I can check the value wmap.get student1 student. So this is null right now because null, so it will say undefined, I think nothing is found. But if I use this before just null this object here, then I can retrieve the value also like this Ravi. So we have stored the Ravi with the object. Similarly I can find out this also before making it null, and in this weak map we have a hash function also. I can have a hash here, hash, save it and run once again, so it will display true. So I can check the value also whether this object has been inserted in map or not, or we can also retrieve the value which we have inserted in the map with the link with this object, and we can delete also similarly. So this way we can use this weak map. Thank you for watching my video.